Welcome back to another session from eLearning Edu. In today's class, we will be learning on the reaction of acids as well as the base. That is how the acids as well as bases react with each other. And so, what will happen when these acids and bases when they combine with each other or when they react with each other? Let us see. So, acid plus base, when they react with each other, what will be the reaction? So there will be neutralization, and the reaction between acid and the base is known as the neutralization reaction. What does the word neutralization means? Neutralization is nothing but when this acid react with the base, there will be formation of salt plus water. So let us consider example for acid example. For the simplest example is HCl. As we have studied, HCl, H2SO4, all these are acid. So HCl is an example for acid, and example for base we can take NaOH. So they will produce H plus ion. This HCl will produce H plus ion, and this NaOH will produce Na plus, that is a charged ion. That is, from this acid we can get H plus ions, and from this base we can get the Na plus plus OH minus. That is, they will produce, here will get H plus plus Cl minus ions. The ions formed is H plus and Cl minus, and here the ions produced is Na plus and OH minus. So in terms of in terms of H ions, there will be production of H plus in case of acid, and in case of base there will be production of OH minus ions. So this is the acid and this is the base, and so they will combine to form water. This is our water. So this is a reaction between acid and base. That is, when acid reacts with a base, there will be form, and the remaining thing is the salt, that is NaCl. It is as simple as it is. So we can say that when acid combines with a base, there will be formation of the salt. This is our salt, common salt. NaCl is common salt. Common salt which we use in our kitchen. So there will be protection of the salt, and along with the formation of water, the remaining thing is water. This is the neutralization reaction. This is what happens when acid react with the base. So students, I hope you are clear with this topic, that is the neutralization reaction as well as the reaction of acid and as well as the bases. So please like and subscribe my channel. And next is the reaction of acids with metal oxide. Our next topic is reaction of acids with metal oxides. For this reaction, this can be represented as chemical equation is HCl plus NaOH, and there will be formation of the salt, that is H plus and OH, H plus and OH minus will combine to form water, and the remaining thing is Na plus and Cl minus. This is the thing, that is acid plus base will give salt plus water. Next is the reaction of acids with metal oxides. So we need to know what is the term metal oxide basically represent, and this metal oxide is nothing but they are the metals with oxides. Metal oxide are the metals with oxygen group. Metals with oxygen group, metal oxide. And there are various examples for these metal oxides. And so metal oxides are metal with oxygen group, and we have studied about metal carbonate and metal bicarbonate. Metal carbonate means if the metals contain the carbonyl group, that is CO3 group, they are known as the metal carbonate. And metal bicarbonate, that is the metals with HCO3 group, is known as the metal bicarbonate. Similarly, metal oxides are metals with the oxygen group, is known as the metal oxide. An example is Cu. Oh, that is, this is the metal with oxygen, is known as the metal oxide. So basically all these metal substance, that is a metal complex like metal oxide, metal bicarbonate, or metal carbonate, all these, whatever it is, all these are basic in nature. These substances are basic in nature. So what is the reaction of, as we have studied now, what is the reaction of acid and base? When acid react with base, you know, there will be formation of salt and water. Similar case is here. That is, similar thing happens here. That is, when acid react with the metal oxide, acid, the general representation is acid plus metal oxide will give salt plus water, that is salt along with the formation of water. Let us study by considering one example. CuO, this is our metal oxide, and which is solid in nature, and when this react with the HCl, that is our acid, which is aqueous, that is solution, it will form CuCl2. That is, this is the salt Cu, that is the metal being electropositive. Students, keep in mind, whenever you consider reaction, keep this point in mind, that is when the metal react with the metal react with another substance, that is when metal being electropositive in nature, they react with the negative charge, that is, this is our electropositive metal, and when they react with the negative charge, that is CuCl, it is positive and Cl minus is negative charge, there will be formation of CuCl2, and what is remaining here, plus H2O, plus H2O, and there will be color change as well. And here the color of the solution is black solution, they are black in color. This is our metal oxide, which is black in color, and that is metal oxide plus HCl is black in color, and when they after some time they will soon react to form the CuCl, copper chloride plus water, and the color is blue color. There will be change in color from black to blue green. That is, there will be change in color. We can identify it by change in color. A black solution will be turned into blue green. This is the change that takes place here. So the reaction, now we have studied the reaction of acids with metal oxide. So when the term metal oxide is that metal with oxygen is known as a metal oxide. An example is CuO, copper oxide. And so the general representation is when acid react with the metal oxide, there will be formation of salt along with the water. So we can represent its chemical formula as CuO plus HCl, which will give CuCl2 plus water. This is the general reaction. Next is the corrosivity of acids. Coming on to next topic. Corrosivity of acids. What is this corrosivity or corrosiveness, corrosive character means? Let us study this. Next, moving on to the next topic, that is the corrosivity of acid. We need to know the term corrosive. What does this corrosive basically mean? And this corrosive, or the materials which are corrosive in nature, are the materials that can attack and chemically destroy when exposed to body tissues, and they destroys or damages the surface. That is, as you have seen the picture in your textbook, these materials, that is the materials, for example, we can consider acid, and the strongest, the strongest acid is the sulfuric acid, and when this sulfuric acid is made to fall on our tissue, or when it is made to fall on any other metal substances, they get corroded. And that is, they get corroded means nothing, that is, they gets destroyed. That is, when acid, suppose HCl, concentrated sulfuric acid, falls on our body, or any parts of our body, there will be damage, or there will be that is, our body will get destroyed. That means our tissues will be ruptured, and there will be rupture of our tissues. So this is the corrosivity of the acids. So acids are basically corrosive in nature, and these all the acids, or not all the acids, most of the acids, or the concentrated acids, are corrosive in nature. As you have seen in the textbook, there is a picture showing that is a picture which is red and yellow in color, and as you have seen in this picture, that is acids, when it is made to fall on any other object, they will damage, or they will make the surface corroded. And next, so this is all about the corrosivity of acids, and in today's class I have covered three topics, that is the reaction of acids and the bases with each other, that is the neutralization reaction. Keep this point in mind, that is a neutralization reaction, and I have given example for acid, that is HCl, and the base is NaOH. They will liberate ions, that is H plus as well as OH minus ions. When they combine with each other, there will be formation of water along with the formation of the salt. And next is reaction of acids with metal oxides, and when these acids are made to react with the metal oxide, for example a metal oxide, example for metal oxide is CO. When they are made to react with each other, there will be formation of salt plus water. That is a similar reaction happens as in the case of acid and bases. And here in this example, there is a color change of the solution from black to blue. And next is the corrosivity of acids, as you have seen in the picture. This corrosive material, that is the example for corrosive material is acid. They will make the surface corroded. This is the corrosivity. Thank you, students.